This one integration of the form integral x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus lambda x square plus 1 dx. Integral x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus lambda x square plus 1 dx. Integral 1 by x power 4 plus lambda x square plus 1 dx. It is like part 1. This one is like part 2. This one like part 3. First we have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. Working method. We have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. Then try to create derivative of x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x in numerator. What's the working method? First we have to divide numerator and denominator by x square, then try to create derivative of x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x in numerator. What is the derivative of x plus 1 by x? Derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Now derivative of x minus 1 by x equals, now derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 minus 1 by x, minus of x plus 1 by x square. This one, part 1. What is part 1? Numerator and denominator divided by x square. Now integral x square by x square 1 plus 1 by x square. Here denominator x power 4 by x square plus lambda plus 1 by x square dx. This one is the derivative of x minus 1 by x. 1 plus 1 by x square is the derivative of x minus 1 by x. Integral 1 plus 1 by x square by x square plus 1 by x square, x minus 1 by x whole square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here minus 2 into x into 1 by x, that is minus 2. Counterbalance is plus 2 plus lambda dx. Now let x minus 1 by x be t, derivative with respect to x. 1 minus of minus plus 1 by x square dx equals to dt. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 by minus 1 by x is minus of minus plus 1 by x square. Okay. So this will be integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx equals to dt by x minus 1 by x whole square, t square plus lambda plus 2 dt. Okay. Then solve. Next, part 2. This is the part 2. What is part 2? We have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. Now 1 minus 1 by x square divided by x square plus lambda plus 1 by x square dx. Here numerator 1 minus x square there. This one is the derivative of x plus 1 by x. Now integral 1 minus 1 by x square by x plus 1 by x whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x, that is 2, so minus 2 counterbalance. Now plus lambda dx. Now let x plus 1 by x be t, derivative with respect to x. Now 1 plus 1 minus 1 by x square dx equals to dt. Now numerator is dt by t square plus lambda minus 2. Then solve. It is a working method. Part 1 and part 2. Next one, part 3. Now integral dx by x power 4 plus lambda x square plus 1. Now multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. Multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. Now 1 by 2 into integral 2 by x power 4 plus lambda x square plus 1 dx. Now 1 by 2 integral 2 x square plus 1 minus of x square minus 1. X square minus x square cancelled out. 1 minus of minus 1 2 by x power 4 plus lambda x square plus 1 dx. I hope you are understanding. Now 1 by 2 integral x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus lambda x square plus 1 dx minus 1 by 2 into integral x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus lambda x square plus 1 dx. This is like this one is like part 1. This one like part 2. What is part 1 and part 2? We have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. Then try to create derivative of x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x in numerator. That is the working method. Part 1 and part 2. Now problem, integral x square plus 1 by x power 4 minus 5x square plus 1. This one is the part 1 model. What is part 1? We have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. Now integral 1 plus 1 by x square by x power 4 by x square, that is which is x square minus 5 plus 1 by x square. Then we try to create derivative of x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x in numerator. This one is derivative of x minus 1 by x. Now integral 1 plus 1 by x square, denominator in terms of x minus 1 by x, 1 by x minus 1 by x whole square, a square x square, b square 1 by x square, minus 2ab, here minus 2, so counter balance is plus 2, minus 5 dx. Now integral 1 plus 1 by x square by x minus 1 by x whole square minus 3 dx. Minus 3 dx. Now let x minus 1 by x be t. 1 derivative with respect to x, 1 minus of minus 1 by x square dx equal to dt. Now integral 1 plus 1 by x square dx equal to dt. Now dt by x minus 1 by x equal t. T square minus 3. Yeah, 3 like root 3 whole square. Now integral 1 by x square minus a square dx. What is the formula? 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. It is the formula. integral 1 by x square minus a square dx. Now 1 by 2a, 2 into a is root 3, 2 root 3 log of x minus a, t minus root 3 by t plus root 3 plus c. What is the t in terms of x? Here t in terms of x, x minus 1 by x. Now x square minus 1 minus root 3x by x square minus 1 plus root 3x plus c. This is the final one. Next one, integral 3 by x power 4 plus 7x square plus 1. It is the part 3 model. Part 3. This is the part 3 model. Bring outside 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 by x power 4 plus 7x square plus 1 dx. This will be 3 by 2. Now 2 would be taken as x square plus 1 minus of x square minus 1. As or no? X square cancelled out, 1 minus of minus plus 2. Now x square plus 1 minus of x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus 7x square plus 1 dx equals 3 by 2 times of integral x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 7x square plus 1 dx minus of 3 by 2 integral x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus 7x square plus 1 dx. Yes. 3 by 2. This one is part 1. This one is part 2. Part 1 and part 2 model. What is part 1 and part 2? Numerator and denominator divided by x square. Now 1 plus 1 by x square by x square plus 7 plus 1 by x square dx minus 3 by 2 integral 1 minus 1 by x square by x square plus 7 plus 1 by x square dx. Now 3 by 2 integral 1 plus 1 by x square denominator we have to write denominator in terms of x minus 1 by x. What is x minus 1 by x whole square? X minus 1 by x whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2. So 7 plus 2 is the counterbalance dx minus 3 by 2 1 minus 1 by x square dx by now x plus 1 by x whole square plus 2. So counterbalance minus 2 dx. In this case, here let x minus 1 by x be t. Now 1 plus 1 by x square dx equals to dt. In this case, x plus 1 by x dt. Now 1 minus 1 by x square dx equals to dt. Now 3 by 2, 1 plus 1 by x square dx equals to dt. Integral dt by this value is in terms of t plus 9, 3 square. So t square plus 3 square dt minus 3 by 2 integral this place value dt by x plus 1 by x t square plus root 5 whole square integral 1 by x square plus a square or a square plus x square dx, that is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c, tan inverse x by a plus c. Now 3 by 2 into 1 by a is 3, tan inverse t by 3 minus 3 by 2 into 1 by a root 5, tan inverse t by root 5 plus c. 3 cancelled. 1 by 2 into tan inverse t. What is t in terms of x? In this case, x minus 1 by x. Now x square minus 1 by 3x minus 3 by 2 root 5 tan inverse t. Here t is x plus 1 by x. X square plus 1 by root 5x plus c. This is the final answer. Next problem, integral x square minus 1 dx by x power 4 plus 4x square plus 3. It is the part 2 model. Yes or no? This one is the part 2. This one is the part 3. Already one చెప్పుకున్నాం కదండి part 1, part 2, part 3. So, first step, what step 1? We have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. Now 1 minus 1 by x square by x square plus 4 plus 1 by x square dx. Integral 1 minus 1 by x square. This one is the derivative of x plus 1 by x. Now x plus 1 by x whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x, which is 2. Here 2 is the more, counterbalance minus 2 plus 4 dx. Now integral 1 minus 1 by x square dx by x plus 1 by x whole square plus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Let x plus 1 by x be t, derivative with respect to x. 1 minus 1 by x square dx equals dt. Now 1 minus 1 by x square dx equals dt. Here denominator x plus 1 by x t square plus root 2 whole square. Now integral 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by root 2 tan inverse x t by a root 2 plus c. Now 1 by root 2 tan inverse, what is the t in terms of x? X plus 1 by x. That is x square plus 1 by x into root 2x plus c. This is the final answer. 1 by root 2 tan inverse x square plus 1 by this was here. Okay. This one is entire square root. Entire square root. So, can you observe these two? Here, denominator is square root of 2 into x. Square root of 2 into x. Here, third option is the square root of 2 into x. So, which one is the right option? Third one is the right option. Next. Coming to this one. Integral dx by x power 4 plus x square plus 1. It is the part 3 model. What is step 1? Part 3 model. We have to divide by 2 and multiply by 2. So 1 by 2 integral 2 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1. Very important point. Here 2 equals x square plus 1 minus of x square minus 1. Is that no? X square minus x square cancel out, 1 minus of minus 1, 2 dx. Now 1 by 2 integral, here 2 x square plus 1 minus of x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 dx. Now 1 by 2 integral x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 dx minus 1 by 2 integral x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 dx. This one is part 1 model, this one is part 2 model. Whatever part 1 or part 2, what is step 1? Numerator and denominator divided by x square. Integral x square by x square 1, 1 plus 1 by x square, denominator divided by x square plus 1 plus 1 by x square dx minus 1 by 2 integral part 2 also divided by x square, numerator and denominator. 1 minus 1 by x square by x square plus 1 by x square dx. This one is derivative of x minus 1 by x. This one is derivative of x plus 1 by x. 1 by 2 times of integral 1 plus 1 by x square. Now x minus 1 by x whole square. A square plus b square minus 2 be minus 2. Your counterbalance is plus 2 plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 integral 1 minus 1 by x square by this one is x plus 1 by x whole square, because the derivative of x minus 1 by x plus 1 by x is 1 minus x square. Here plus 2, counterbalance minus 2 plus 1 dx. Let x minus 1 by x be t, derivative with respect to x 1 minus 1 by x square dx equals dt. In this case, x plus 1 by x equals to t, derivative with respect to x 1 minus 1 by x square dx equals to dt. Now 1 by 2 integral 1 plus 1 by x square, sorry, this 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 by x square dx equals to dt. Now dt by x minus 1 by x t square plus 1 plus 2 3 root 3 whole square minus 1 by 2 integral this value is dt by t square minus 1 t square minus 1. Okay, fine. Now 1 by 2 integral x square plus a square 1 by x square plus a square tan inverse 1 by a tan inverse 1 by a is root 3 1 by a tan inverse x by a t by root 3. Now 1 by 2 into integral 1 by x square minus a square 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Now 1 by 2a 2 into 1 2 log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Finally, substitute the value of t. What is the t in terms of x? X minus 1 by x. This is the final answer. 1 by 2 root 3 tan inverse t. What is the t? X minus 1 by x. X square minus 1 by root 3 into x. Minus 1 by 4 log of t minus 1 x square minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 by x plus t plus 1, so x square plus c. This is the final answer. Okay, sorry, small mistake here. Here t is in this, sorry, here t, this one related to this one. Okay, here t is x plus 1 by x. Here t is x plus 1 by x. Sorry, t plus t minus 1 x plus 1 by x minus 1. Here t plus 1 x plus 1 by x plus 1. Now finally log of, take LCM x square plus 1 minus x by take LCM x square plus 1 plus x plus c. This is the final answer. Next problem, integral x plus 1 by x whole power n plus 5 x square minus 1 by x square dx. Now integral x plus 1 by x whole power n plus 5. Now x square by x square 1 minus 1 by x square dx. Can we observe derivative of x plus 1 by x is 1 minus 1 by x square. Let x minus 1 by x be t. Our formula, or general formula, f of x into f of x whole power n into f dash x dx. Now formula is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is standard result. మనం ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పుకున్నామంటే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ స్టార్టింగ్ క్లాసెస్ లో చెప్పుకున్నాం, చూడండి ఒకసారి వీడియోస్. ఇంటిగ్రల్ f of x whole power n f dash x dx equal f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This one is f of x whole power n plus 5. This one is f of x dx. Here f of x is x plus 1 by x. Derivative of x plus 1 by x is 1 minus 1 by x square. This one is f dash x. What's the formula? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now what is f of x here? X plus 1 by x whole power n plus 1. Here n is n plus 5. N plus 5 plus 1. Now n plus 6 by n plus 6 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, this is a modification. So first one is the right answer. Next, coming to this one. If integral x square minus 1 dx by x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 tan inverse x square plus 1 by x equal log of f of x plus c, then f of x is. We need to calculate only f of x. Okay. Can we observe this one is part 1. Integral x square minus part 2. Integral x square minus 1 dx by x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1. It is the part 2. Either part 1 or part 2. Whatever. What is the step 1? We have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. Now integral 1 minus 1 by x square by x square plus 3 plus 1 by x square into tan inverse x square by x, that is x plus 1 by x dx. 1 minus 1 by x square, this one is derivative of x plus 1 by x. Integral 1 minus 1 by x square dx by x plus 1 by x. Derivative of x plus 1 by x is 1 minus 1 by x square whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2. So counterbalance minus 2 plus 3 into tan inverse of x plus 1 by x. Now let x plus 1 by x dt, derivative with respect to x, 1 minus 1 by x square dx equal to dt. Now integral 1 minus 1 by x square dx, this place value is dt. Now x plus 1 by x equal to t. Now t square or f plus 3 minus 2 1 plus 1 into tan inverse x plus 1 by x. Here x plus 1 by x t, tan inverse t. Can we observe derivative of tan inverse? What is the derivative of tan inverse? It's 1 by x square plus 1. Let tan inverse t be theta. Now derivative with respect to t, 1 by 1 plus t square dt equal to d theta. Okay. Now integral dt by 1 plus t square dt, that is d theta. Here tan inverse t is 1 by t, 1 by theta d theta. Now 1 by integral 1 by x log x, integral 1 by theta log theta plus c. Now log, what is theta in terms of t? Tan inverse t plus c. Now log of tan inverse. So what is the t in terms of x? X plus 1 by x plus c. Compare these two. What is the f of x here? Here f of x equal log of f of x plus c. Here log of tan inverse of x plus 1 by x plus c. Here f of x equal to tan inverse. So therefore f of x equals tan inverse x plus 1 by x. This is the final answer. So second one is the right option, right answer. Next one, integral square. Next one, integral square root of tan x dx. It's important question, important problem. Let tan x be t square. Derivative with respect to x. Secant square x dx equal to 2t dt. Now dx equal to 2t dt by secant square x. Secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. Now dx equal to 2t dt by 1 plus tan square x. So t power 4. Tan x equal to t square, tan square x equal to t power 4. Now integral square root of tan x t dx equal to 2t dt by 1 plus t power 4. Now integral 2t square by 1 plus t power 4 dt. We have to divide numerator and denominator by t square. Integral 2 by 1 by t square plus t square dt. Now it is a part 3. This one is a part 3 model. Here 2 equals to x square plus 1 minus of x square minus 1. Yes or no? X square cancel out. 1 minus of minus 1, 2. Here 2 equal to 1 plus 1 by t square minus, that is x square, minus 1 plus 1 by x square. Here 2 equal to 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square. 1 by x square, 1 by x square cancel. 1 plus 1, 2. Which one is the better one? You can denominator 1 by t square, 1 by t square plus t square unandi. So 1 plus 1 by t square, 1 minus 1 by t square తీసుకుంటే problem easy అయిపోతుంది. Now integral 2. Here 2 is 1 plus 1 by t square minus plus 1 minus 1 by t square by t square plus 1 by t square dt. Okay, it is the key point in this problem. Here 2 equal to 1 plus 1 by t square plus 1 minus 1 by t square. Here 1 plus 1 by t square is the derivative of t plus t minus 1 by t. Here 1 minus 1 by t square, it is a derivative of 1 plus 1 by t. Sorry, t plus 1 by t. Now integral 1 plus 1 by t square by t square plus 1 by t square dt plus integral 1 minus 1 by t square by t square plus 1 by t square dt. Okay, this one is derivative of, this one is the derivative of t plus t minus 1 by t. Now integral 1 plus 1 by t square by t minus 1 by t whole square, a square plus b square minus 2b minus 2 counterbalance plus 2 dt. plus integral 1 minus 1 by t square by this one is the derivative of t plus 1 by t. Now t plus 1 by t whole square, here plus 2, counterbalance is minus 2. Let t minus 1 by t equal to theta, derivative with respect to t, 1 minus of minus plus 1 by t square dt equal to d theta. Here t plus 1 by t equal to theta, 1 minus 1 by t square dt equal to d theta. Integral 1 plus 1 by t square dt equal to d theta. Numerator is d theta. Denominator is value theta, theta square plus 2. Theta square plus root 2 whole square plus integral 1 minus 1 by t square dt. 1 minus 1 by t square dt d theta by t plus 1 by t is a theta, theta square minus root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square. Next, 1 by square root of x square plus a square. Next one, 1 by x square plus a square. That is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a, 1 by root 2 tan inverse x by a, theta by root 2 plus integral 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a log of a minus x. So x minus a by x plus a, 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a formula. Now 1 by 2a, 2 root 2 log of theta minus 2 by theta plus here root 2 plus c. Now 1 by root 2 tan inverse. What is the theta? Theta equal here. Theta equal to t minus 1 by t. T minus 1 by t by root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 log of theta. This theta is t plus 1 by t. T plus 1 by t minus root 2 by t plus 1 by t plus root 2 plus c. Next. Now t in terms of x. Here t in terms of x. Here tan x equal to t square. T equal to square root of tan x. Square root of tan x. So square root of tan x minus square root of tan x minus 1 by t. T equal to square root of tan x. 1 by t equal to square root of cot x. Now square root of cot x by root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 log of t plus 1 by t. Here t is square root of tan x. 1 by t square root of cot x minus root 2 by t equal to square root of tan x plus 1 by t square root of cot x plus root 2 plus c. It is the final answer. This one important model, important question. Just memorize it. This one. Next one, integral 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 25. Integral 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1. 1 is done. One of the problem is I pay them. But here 25 instead of 1. 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 25. In this case, 2 equals 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square. 1 by x square equals 1 plus 1 by x square, that is a 2 by x square. 1 plus 1 by x square minus 1 minus 1 by x square. 1 minus 1 cancel out. 1 by x square minus of minus 2 by x square. Here 25 there. Your formula is 5 by x square equals 2 into 5, sorry, 10 by x square equals 1 plus 5 by x square minus 1 minus 5 by x square. 1 minus 1 cancelled, 5 by x square minus of minus 5 by x square, 10 by x square. ప్రాబ్లం 1 ఉంటే ప్రాబ్లం ఈజీ అయిపోయేదండి. ప్రాబ్లం 25 ఉంది కాబట్టి మనకి ప్రాబ్లం కొంచెం చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, 25 there. Now integral 1 by numerator denominator divided by x square. 1 by x square by x square plus 1 plus 25 by x square. X square plus 25 by x square, it will x minus 1 by x whole square, sorry, x minus 5 by x whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 10, so counterbalance plus 10. X plus 5 by x whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, so plus 10, counterbalance minus 10. Dx. Now 1 by x square equals, what is 1 by x square? 1 by 10, 1 by 10, integral 1 by 10, 1 plus 5 by x square minus of 1 minus 5 by x square by x square plus 25 by x plus 1 dx. 1 by 10 constant, bring outside, 1 by 10, integral 1 plus 5 by x square by x square plus 25 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 10 integral 1 minus 5 by x square by x square plus 25x, 25 by x square, 25 by x square, 25 by x square plus 1 dx. 1 minus 5x square, 1 minus 1 plus, okay, 1 plus 1 plus 5 by x square, now 1 by 10 integral 1 plus 5 by x square by, this one is x minus 1 by 5, 1 by x whole square 5 by x. X minus 5 by x whole square, derivative of x minus 5 by x is 1 plus 5 by x square, derivative of x is 1, derivative of minus 1 by x, minus of minus plus 1 by x square. Now numerator 1 plus 5 by x square is the derivative of 5x minus 1 by 5. Now a square, x square, b square, 25 by x square, minus 2ab, minus 2 into 5, minus 10, counterbalance plus 10, 1 plus 10. Dx minus 1 by 10 integral 1 minus 5 by x square, it is the derivative of, this one is the derivative of 1 plus 5 by x. Derivative of 1 plus 5 by x, sorry, x plus 5 by x. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square whole square. Now it is a square plus b square plus 2ab, plus 2ab is plus 10, counterbalance is minus 10, plus 1 minus 10 dx. Now here let x minus 5 by x be t. Now 1 minus 5 by x square dx equal to dt. Now x plus 5 by x equal to t. Derivative with respect to x, 1 minus 5 by x square dx equal to dt. Sorry, this one is 1 plus minus of minus plus. Now 1 by 10 integral 1 plus 5 by x square dx equal to dt. Now dt by x minus 5 by x whole square, that is a t square plus 11 root 11 whole square minus 1 by 10 integral 1 minus 5 by x square dx equal to dt. Now dt by x plus 5 by x whole square, x plus 5 by x is t square minus 9, that is 3 square. Okay, this one is integral 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This one 1 by 10, 1 by a, 1 by root 11, tan inverse x by a, t by root 11 plus minus 1 by 10 into integral 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a, 1 by 2a, 2 into 3, 6 log of x minus a, t minus 3 by t plus 3 plus c. Now 1 by 10 root 11 tan inverse t in terms of x. Okay, t in terms of x. X minus 5 by x. X minus 5 by x. It means 5x. X square minus 5 by x into root 11 x minus 1 by 10 into 6, 60 log of t minus 3. Here this t x plus 1 by x. Now x square plus 5 minus 3x by t plus 3, x square plus 5 plus 3x. Let's see, this is the final answer. Next one, integral x cube plus 7x by x power 4 plus 6x square plus 11 dx. Here power of x is cube, degree of x is 3, degree of the numerator 3, degree of the denominator 4. Now integral, bring outside x square plus 7 into x by x power 4 plus 6x square plus 11 dx. Let x square be t, 2x dx equal to dt. Integral x square t plus 7 into x. Here x is the square root of t by x power 4 t square plus 6t plus 11. Now x into dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. Can we observe this one is a linear by quadratic. Linear equals lambda into derivative of quadratic plus mu. Okay, linear equal to lambda into derivative of q plus derivative of quadratic plus mu. What is linear? T plus 7. T plus 7 equal to lambda into derivative of quadratic 2t plus 6 plus mu. Now compare coefficient of t. Left hand side 1, right hand side 2 lambda. Now lambda equals to 1 by 2. Now constants. Compare constants. Left hand side 7, right hand side constant 6 lambda plus mu. 6 lambda plus mu. Here lambda equals to 1 by 2. 7 equal to 3 plus mu. Now mu equal to 4. Mu equal to 4. Now 1 by 2 integral t plus 7. What t plus 7? Lambda. Lambda is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 2t plus 6 plus mu. Mu is 4 by t square plus 6t plus 11 dt. Now integral 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 2t plus 6 by t square plus 6t plus 11 plus 4 by 2, that is 2. 2 times of integral 1 by t square plus 6t plus 11 dt. Okay, next one. 1 by 4. This one is the f of x, numerator is f dash x. Now integral f dash x by f of x dx equals log of f of x plus c, standard result. This one is f dash x, sorry. This one is f of x, this one is f dash x. 1 by 4 log of f of x, t square plus 6t plus 11 plus 2 times of, we have to write in the form of x square plus a square, x square minus a square, or a square minus x square. Coefficient of t square positive 1, coefficient of t plus 6, coefficient of 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 square చేయాలండి, 3 square చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి, 3 square 9. Coefficient of t, coefficient of x ని 2 తో డివైడ్ చేయాలంటే వచ్చే నెంబర్ స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి, యాడింగ్ అండ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్. 3 square is 9, 9 adding 9 subtract. 3 square, t square plus 60 plus 9 minus 9 plus 11. Now this one is a perfect square. Integral 1 by t plus 3 whole square minus plus 2. So root 2 whole square. Now 1 by 4 log of t square plus 6t plus 11 plus 2 times of integral x square plus a square. This one also x square plus a square. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Now 2 into 1 by a. Here a is root 2. Tan inverse x. X is t plus 3 by a root 2 plus c. Now final result 1 by 4 log of what is it here? T equal to x square. T square x power 4 plus 66 x square. It equal x square plus 11 plus root 2 times of tan inverse t. T is x square plus 3 by root 2 plus c. This is the final answer. So new model, if denominator of an algebraic integral has higher exponent over a linear expression, then substitute that linear expression equal to 1 by t. The linear expression equal to 1 by t. Example 1 by x minus 1 x plus 1 whole power 5 dx. Example, if denominator of an algebraic integral has higher exponent x plus 1 whole power 5 x minus 1 whole power 1, which one is the higher exponent? X plus 1 whole power 5 over a linear expression, then substitute that linear expression equal to 1 by t. So మనకి లీనియర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ లో ఏది హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఉందండి, x minus 1 కి పవర్ లో 1 ఉంది, x plus 1 కి పవర్ లో 5 ఉంది. సో ఈ టూ నెంబర్స్, ఈ టూ వాల్యూస్ లో ఏ లీనియర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ కి పవర్ హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఉంటుందో ఆ లీనియర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ మనం 1 by t అనుకోవాలి. Now x plus 1 equals 1 by t. Derivative with respect to x. dx equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Minus 1 by t square dt. Now integral dx equal to minus 1 by t square dt by x minus 1. Now here x, the value of x minus 1, x equal to 1 by t minus 1 minus 1. X equal to 1 by t minus 1. X minus 1 equal to 1 by t minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So t LCM 1 minus 2t. 1 minus 2t by t. 1 minus 2t by t. X plus 1, 1 by t. 1 by t power 5. Now minus 1 by t square dt by now t power 5, t power 5 plus 1, t power 6. Base the equal power should be added, t power 6, 1 minus 2t equal to integral minus 1 by t square into t power 6 minus t power 4 dt by 1 minus 2t. 1 minus 2t. Now multiplied by minus integral t power 4 by multiplied by minus 2t minus 1 dt. 2t minus 1 dt. Now bring outside to 1 by 2 integral t power 4 by t minus 1 by 2. T minus 1 by 2. Okay, what is the power of t? 4. Now t power 4. So 1 by 2 power 4. 1 by 2 power 4 how much? 1 by 16. 1 by 16. T power 4 minus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 dt. Now integral 1 by 2 times of integral. Now t power 4 minus 1 by 16 t square whole square minus 1 by 4 whole square, that is a square minus b square by t minus 1 by 2. Next plus integral 1 by 2 into 1 by 16, 1 by 16 into 1 by 2, 1 by 32, bring outside 1 by 32, 1 by t minus 1 by 2 dt. Now 1 by 2 integral a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, t square minus 1 by 4 into t square plus 1 by 4 by t minus 1 by 2 dt plus 1 by 32 integral 1 by x log x. So log of t minus 1 by 2 plus c. Log of t minus 1 by 2. Again this one a square minus b square, t plus 1 by 2 into t minus 1 by 2. This one is a t square plus 1 by 4. Now t minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 2, t minus 1 by 2 cancelled out. This one is a t plus half into t square plus 1 by 4. Multiply these two. Now half into integral t into t square t cube plus t into 1 by 4 t by 4 plus half into t square by 2. Now half into 1 by 4. This one is 1 by 8 dt plus 1 by 32 log of t minus 1 by 2 plus c. Now integral this function half into integral t cube t power 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into t square by 2 plus 1 by 2 into t square t cube by 3 plus 1 by 8 into t plus 1 by 32 is a t 1 by 8 into t plus 1 by 32 log of t minus 1 by 2. What is the t in terms of its? Yeah, t equals 1 by, t equals 1 by x plus 1, t equals 1 by x plus 1. So finally 1 half into t equals 1 by x plus 1, 1 by x plus 1 whole power 4 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 4 plus 8, 1 by 8 t square, 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Now 1 by 6 t cube, 1 by x plus 1 whole cube plus 1 by 8 into t. Here t is 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by 32 log of t minus of, here t is 1 by x plus 1 minus of plus c. This is the final answer. It's a new model. If quotient contains x plus the square root of x square plus or minus a square, that is x square plus a square or x square minus a square, try substitute this term x plus square root of x square plus a square or x plus square root of x square minus a square equal to t. Example, integral x by x plus square root of x square plus 9 whole square. Okay, if quotient contains this type of term, try substitute this term be t. Now in this case x plus square root of x square plus 9 equals t. Now square root of x square plus 9 equals t minus x. Square on both sides. X square plus 9 equals t square plus x square minus 2tx. Now 2tx equals t square plus 9. Sorry, t square minus 9. Now x equals t square minus 9 by 2t. Now derivative with respect to x. With respect to x. Now dx equals UV method, or x equals t square half into t square by 2t. Now t minus 9 by 2 2t. Now derivative with respect to x, dx equals half minus of minus plus 1 by t minus 2 by t square minus 9 by 2 into derivative of 1 by t minus 1 by t square. Now half plus the 9 by 2t square, bring outside half of 1 minus of minus plus 9 by t square dt. Dx equals. Now integral x, what is x in terms of t? X equals t square minus 9 by 2t into dx. Here dx equals half of 1 plus 9 by t square dt by this value is the t power 5. Bring outside 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Integral t square by t minus 9 by t into 1 plus 9 by t square dt by x power 5. 1 by 4 integral the multiplication t into 1 t into this value plus 9 by t minus 9 by t into 1 minus 9 by t minus into plus minus 9 to 9 81 by t into t cube dt by is a t power 5. Now t power 5. 1 by 4 integral, these two are cancelled out. Now t by t power 5, t power minus 4 minus 81 into 1 by t cube into t power 5, 1 by t power 8, t power minus 8 dt. I hope you are understanding. Now 1 by 4, integral 1 by t power 4. What is the integral 1 by t power 4? Integral t power minus 4. So t power minus 3 by minus 3. Now t power minus 3 by minus 3. Minus 81 into 1 by t power 8. So t power minus 7 by minus 7 plus c. 1 by 4 minus t power minus 3 by 3 minus of minus plus 81 into t power minus 7 by 7. Here t equals, what is t? T equals x plus square, here t in terms of x plus square root of x square plus 9. So final answer 1 by 4. Here minus of t is x plus square root of x square plus 9 whole power minus 3 by 3 plus 81 by 7 into t x plus square root of x square plus 9 whole power minus 7 plus c. This is the final answer. Next one, integral x by x minus square root of x square minus 1 dx. If question contains x plus square root of x square plus or minus a square, try substitute this term t. So this value t. Now x minus square root of x square minus 1 equal to t. Now x minus t equal to square root minus of square root of x square minus 1 equal to t minus x. Square on both sides. Now x square minus 1 equal to t square plus x square minus 2tx. Now 2tx equal to t square plus 1, x equal to t square plus 1 by 2t. Now x equal to 1 by 2 times of t square by t plus 1 by t. Now derivative with respect to x, dx equal 1 by t, 1 minus 1 by t square. Derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Now integrate x, what is x here? Here x equal to 1 by 2 into t square plus 1 by t, t square by t plus 1 by t into dx equal to half into 1 minus 1 by t square by this value is t. Bring outside 1 by 2 integral one by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 bring outside. Multiplication t into 1 t into minus 1 by t, 1 by t, 1 by t into 1 plus 1 by t, 1 by t minus 1 by t minus 1 by t cube by t dt. 1 by 4 integral. So t into t by t is 1 minus 1 by t square. So these two are cancelled out. Minus 1 by t power 4 dt. Now 1 by 4 integral 1, that is a t, integral 1 by t power 4 integral t power minus 4 t power minus 3 by 3, this will be minus 3 minus 1 by 3t cube, minus 1 by 3t cube, minus of minus plus 1 by 3t cube plus c. What is the t here? 1 by 4 t in terms of x minus square root of x square minus 1 plus 1 by 3 into t cube, x minus square root of x square minus 1 whole cube plus c. This is the answer.